Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you a fun little appetizer from your favorite Italian chefy, me. So being Italian and also specialize in doing appetizer parties, this is one of my go-to, pasta kebabs. So you're going to need some skewers and penne pasta, sauce, and some various toppings, but this is an easy and fun little pasta thing to make. So start out with the kebab. I use a medium-sized one, about 4 to 5 inches. And I have some penne pasta cooked to al dente, which means just perfect to the bite. You don't want to overcook your pasta because if not, it will fall off the kebab. You're just going to thread these on. You're going to get some tomato sauce and brush that on top. And then you're going to do your toppings. So I do a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. And then I have mini pepperonis. I mean, it's just the cutest little things. I put them on the little baby pepperonis. And then I'm doing black olives. And then just for a little color, I have some diced green bell pepper. And then I'm going to do a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and some oregano. And you're just going to throw these in the oven for a few minutes or put them under the broiler just until the cheese gets nice and melted and golden brown. So I'm going to make a few more and then I will come back and show you the final product. All right, it's been a couple minutes with these pasta kebabs under the broiler. The cheese has melted and let me show you what a delicious Italian appetizer this is. Oh, look at that. They just... look at that cheese. Tell me who would not want to eat those. There you go. Pasta bites.